Today I authorized the emergency manager for the City of Detroit to seek federal bankruptcy protection. This was a difficult and painful decision, but I believe there were no other viable options. Why did I do this? What's the rationale and what's the impact for both the City of Detroit and the State of Michigan? Well, let me start with the fact that this is a situation that's been 60 years in the making in terms of the decline of Detroit. From a financial point of view, let me be blunt. Detroit's broke. It's been spending 38 cents on the dollar towards legacy costs. That number was projected to grow to 65 cents on the dollar. That's not a sustainable situation. But more important than the financial situation are the poor services that are being delivered to the citizens of Detroit. They simply deserve better. If you look at it in terms of public safety, Detroit has been on the top 10 list of the most violent cities in 24 of the last 27 years. Response times for police calls are at 58 minutes versus a national average of 11 minutes. The clearance rate on cases is 8.7%. Then you can go on to fire, EMS, streetlights, the list goes on. This is not viable nor appropriate for the citizens of the city. What will federal bankruptcy do for the city? It's an opportunity for a fresh start. It's an opportunity to say, let's make realistic promises to creditors by revising those debts. And more importantly, let's put in place a plan to invest in the city to get improved services to citizens. That's critically important and something they deserve. What does it mean to the state of Michigan? The state of Michigan is the comeback state. But for Michigan to be a great state again, it can only happen if Detroit's on the path to being a great city. This is a critical step in making that happen. Let's move forward and get this done together.